this is the previous array, right? So next array is 10, 15, 20, which is added to the previous one. Yes or no? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Here two operations are available. See, append operation is available at the end, right? Append method is also available, but so only one value only we can place it over there. But here, so another array, so extend method which we can extend it to the previous array, right? Extend it to the, so first array, last onwards, the another value, another array elements to be added. Please understood the concept? Yes or no? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Nana. Right? Please note down. Please note down this one also. A Python array can be extended. A Python array can be extended with more than one value using extend method. Previous only one value. Now this extend method is more than one value using extend method. Example already shown. ARR dot extend of ARR1. Extend of ARR1. Understood? Next, another operation. Add items from list into array using from list. Another one is add items from list into array using from list method. From list method. Please, how can you use that list method? See now. Some variable name, some d is equals to, okay, some variable name d is equal to some given list. What kind of variables? 22, 25, 28. Okay, we can take this one. Now what kind of operations which I have tell? Using from list, using from list ARR dot from list of the given d variable we are incorporated, right? Now see now, see previous what operations are there? 1, 2, 9, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 15, 20. Then again we want to join 20, 25, 28. So here that extend operation, if you want to not use this extend operation, simply put, then those operations will not be covered. See now. See those operations which will not cover. So 10, 15, 20 will not cover, because here all operations which I have seen into this program, then that also included. Please. Okay, Nama. Am I clear, everyone? Which is from list. So again, we want to add either previous one is extend method, but here from list you can take a list, right? So directly you want to add in the previous array, right? So note down please. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, so previous, what kind of operations we have to seen? Addition or inserted or from list or extended, etc. Now, remove operations. See, here why I am saying is arrays are one kind of a data structure concept. Data structure in the sense, so these are the operations which we have to face. So addition operator, deletion operation, insert, append, extend, right, from list, etc., etc. Whole, so many operations which I have used in the programming language. So those are related to, first we want to learn these operations. Once we learn these operations, then automatically, so rest of the programs we can do easily. So now remove an array element using remove method. Remove an array element using remove method. So how can you remove? See now, simple. Here arr dot rom remove. See which element you want to remove. So the given list, for example, 5. So 5 we want to remove. See now, previous what are they? 1 2 9 3 4 5 6 8 22 25 28 is available. Now see, 5 is eliminated from the given list. 1 2 9 3 4 6 8 22 25 28. 5 is removed. 5 is removed. So what kind of element? So you can give the value of the particular element. That element will be removed the given list of elements, right? So this is using remove method. Please note down. Please note down. Remove any array element using remove method. So how can you remove? Simple. Your array dot remove the given element. The given element. Next, if you want to remove in the last, at the last, in the given list, so the method called as pop method. See, once you touch any data structure concept, here those operations are stack, queues, linked list, etc. are available. In that stack operations, one is for addition purpose add, push, deletion purpose for pop method. So those pop methods also working in Python programming in this concept. So here push and pop methods are right stack operations. In that push means, for example, whenever you are going to the parties or functions, they are arranging in the plates, right, in a order, right? So if you want to take the first plate, that is for last inserted the plate, yes or no? Am I clear? For example, if you are going to any party, they are arranging for plates in a order, right? Once you enter, you take the element, like first element, your last element you can take over the first element, right? Please try to understand. Last in, first out. Last in, first out. So whenever your last element is there, that removed from the first. So that is what pop operation. Push means you want to arrange in a similar order. So in the last one is the first you can put, that is the last one. Please try to understand. This is concept is called as LIFO, last in first out concept. Okay, which is called stack operations. Those operations are in put into Python. That method is called as pop method. Once you remove any element in the last, that element, that is called as pop method. Okay, pop removes the last element from the given array. See now, I can show you. See, previous remove 5, simple, no need to write. your value. So in the given list, what are the elements are available? 1, 2, 9, 3, 4, 6, 5 also available because now your operation is not there. So 5, 6, 8, 22, 25, 28. So now 28 will be removed. See now, 28 will be removed because last in, first out. Last in, first out principle. Last in, first out principle. Please, are you understand? Understood the concept?